In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate license in the state of Kentucky. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're looking to make a change, becoming a real estate agent can be a rewarding and fulfilling profession. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple, just follow these 5 steps. 1. Must be at least 18 years old. 2. You will need a high school diploma or equivalent, a GED will work. 3. You will need to complete a 96-hour pre-license course. 4. The Real Estate Commission will require you to get your fingerprints and send them off to the FBI or Kentucky State Police to process for a background check. 5. Take and pass the licensing exam with PSI. And that's it. In order to get a real estate license in the state, you must complete 96 hours of pre-license real estate education. Perry Real Estate College offers the course 100% online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. The Kentucky Real Estate Commission requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The applicant will need to get their fingerprints taken with Identogo and send the prints to the FBI or Kentucky State Police for processing. The Commission will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the Commission. Each new licensee is required to pass a state licensing exam, administered by PSI. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a national portion and state portion. Each section must be passed with a 75% to pass the test. Once the test is passed, you will be given a couple forms. Those forms must be filled out with your new broker and sent into the Commission with your license application. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to apply for your real estate license. You'll need to fill out an application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Kentucky Real Estate Commission's website. It's important to remember that you only have 60 days from the time you pass the exam to apply for your license. The background check is also only valid for 3 months. So that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate license in Kentucky. It's a process that requires some dedication and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out.